Umenju rangba bandrab jaka sarkar jala ba prastun tinsong hne ka khatlai tari unai lar arja arpho ulapante bekladon hadu nyopulai tali ki Sniang ki blayap ne ki khat ar tali ki Shnong Jong ki South tali ki district ki bana East Khasi Hills district Riboy district West Jainti Hills district but West Khasi Hills district uba prastun ulapante bru ba arpa South tali ki Nongmuna Jong ki Sniang lalap bakide ki beyo ek swine fever but ki South kundai ki we pat ki Nongmuna lapha banwar pnya shosho.
So we had a detailed discussion this afternoon, because till today the total deaths of pigs is 73 numbers. Then out of 73 numbers, 24 death cases was confirmed of African swine fever, and the 49 death sample has been collected and again sent for further investigation.
Ulapante bakini Shnong ke bayap Sniang kan hab no kum ka containment zone bar ka sarkar kla khang rui ka jing pinyap Sniang bar ka de ka thi de ka do Sniang hakini ki jaka.
Today in the review meeting, we decided that the cases that has happened in any particular villages throughout the state will be declared a containment zone immediately. Will be declared a containment zone immediately. Notification is being prepared by the department, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. They are working out the notification, and not only containment zone, in these places where the infection has taken place, we will also not allow people to slaughter pigs or selling and eating. This is done. This decision was taken to contain further spread of the fever in the piggery farming or in the piggery sectors.